Hi, come on in. If you love everything crochet, you're in the right place, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the net stitch. It's also an irregular net stitch and it's very similar, both really easy, one row repeats, and absolutely brilliant for summer wear, blankets for the little ones, and anything like that. So let's have a look at it. Now, all the materials that I use for this, I will put in the description box down below for you so that you can have a look at it. If you don't have the things you need at the minute, then just pop this on your watch list and come back to it when you do. So we're going to start with our foundation chain, and it is in multiples of 2, and then we add 5 at the end. Very simple. I do have a video if you need to know how to do the foundation chain, and that is on my channel. I will put it in the description box for you again. So just multiples of 2, and I'm going to do a small swatch to show you what to do today, and I'll meet you when you've got yours to the length that you want it. So I have made a small swatch of 16 chain plus 5. And we are now going to work into the 5th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't count the one on your hook. And we're going to make a UK treble crochet, US double crochet into that 5th stitch. And then chain 1. We're going to miss a chain and work into the next one with another UK treble, US double. Oops. Chain 1 and then miss a stitch, and do this all over again, and we do this right to the end of our work. So just keep that the same, chaining 1, missing a chain into the next, and do that the whole way along. I've come to the end. I have 2 chains left, and I have chained 1 here, and I'm going to finish with a UK treble, US double in that last chain. Now there's 2 ways that you can do the next part. You can either do a chain of 3 and then turn your work. I tend to do it slightly differently. I turn my work and then I do right at the bottom of your work in your first stitch, I will do a US single, UK double crochet, and then I go in through, if you just have a look right there, there's the 2 loops. I go in through that second loop, pull round, pull it back through, and again. And that sort of makes your first double crochet and helps you to keep a more even edge to your work here. Do a single chain. We miss out the chain here and work into your stitch that was a double crochet US there, or a treble crochet UK, into that stitch right there, with another UK treble, US double. And again, you're working exactly the same pattern the whole way along. So single chain, skip that chain stitch, and into this stitch here, we are doing that UK treble, US double, 1 chain, and miss a stitch, and into the next one. And that's just what you follow the whole way across. And I'll see you when you finished it. I've just finished that last UK treble, US double in the top of where my last one was. I will do a single chain, and we're now going to work into our chain stitches here where we made our first hole just from those chain stitches. But what we're doing is, obviously we have 1 chain stitch which is equivalent to the bottom of our hole, and we need a 1 chain stitch to be equivalent to that top. So we're working into the second chain, not that first one but the second one, with another UK treble, US double, to make the end of our row, just like that. And that'll be the only time we have to do that, because the rest of the time we have our stitches the whole way across. Obviously, if you've done this as a chain stitch, you will do exactly the same thing at this end. You will miss that one and work into that. This gives you a proper stitch to work into. So we're going to turn our work. So you can either do your 3 chain and turn, or do it this way, which is to do the same as I did last time. As I say, this just makes your first double as a turning, which just helps keep that even. Chain 1 and miss a stitch and into the next. And this will be your repeat row the whole way across. Chain 1 and miss a stitch and into the next. And I will meet you at the end of our row. Now we've completed this stitch here with a single chain after it, and we need to work into this last stitch. Now obviously if you've done your with the 3 chain, then you would make sure you missed one as your chain stitch, you're in between stitches, and worked into the top of it of the second chain. For ourselves, since we've done it with our starting stitch that I showed you how to do, then we actually have a proper stitch to work into. So it's just finishing with that UK treble, US double into the top of that stitch right there. And that's completed it. Turning and doing the same thing the whole way up. And it's just a case of keeping going until you've finished it the length that you want. It's a really simple stitch, makes up really quickly, looks lovely, and is absolutely brilliant for the summer. Let me know if you've tried it, or if you call this the net stitch or mesh stitch or something else entirely. I would love to hear from you. And all that's left for me to say is thank you for joining me, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.